right there. And we've got from places like Paducah and points east, your winter weather advisories, you've got your warnings, and they are pretty much for parts of the Northeast, but also south of the Great Lakes in the Ohio Valley and even into portions of the South and Mid-Atlantic and Mid-Mississippi Valley. So a lot of real estate that we're talking about. Traveling, discouraged. I'm not saying it's verboten, but maybe that would be a good idea to stay off the roads because we've got some heavy snowfall. It's going to be north of 64. You've got the sleet, the ice mixing in. Any bridge, any overpass is going to be like a hockey rink. So be very, very careful. Don't become a puck, right? Stay off the roads if you possibly can. If you've got to walk the animals outside, get the kids out on the sled hill, do so very carefully. Here you go from Buffalo to Syracuse. Your airports are now no major delays to those places, but the impact today, get ready. They're going to come in terms of the backups. In terms of, I think we're going to be at a standstill in the nation's capital. That's going to be Dulles. That will be BWI. That's Baltimore, of course, and DCA on the other side of the Potomac. That's, of course, Reagan National. Slow times. What is not moving slowly is this energy of the system. And notice when you go from the north where it's all with that greenish blue color and then you go south, it looks like it's Easter, right? I mean, you get every color there represented. And notice that it could be within a few miles where you might find some snow, maybe some ice, and then some pouring rain. So it gets to be a jumbled mess, atmospherically speaking, a bit more to the south. Now, in terms of the heavy snowfall and rates, this is crazy. This is like pulling the lever on the jackpot, and this is what spills out. Heavy snow with rates up to an inch an hour or more through the morning. Now, it's really hard for the atmosphere to produce this in a situation where it's going to be kind of a long-lived thing. In this case, it might be that, so be ready for it. What you have now in terms of the snowfall could only get a lot higher. And also remember, in terms of a snow forecast, oftentimes that will not include the wind that we expect. That will be a huge part of the story. And with that, you could have drifts that can be fairly high. As we drift forward in the forecast, notice you see more of the pink and also a lot about the purple. Yeah, your roads are going to be an absolute mess there. Even with your plows out there and even with the roads treated, you've got to be careful. The best course of action, staying off the road altogether. If you're a first responder, you don't have a choice. But look at what's traveling in right behind it. Temperatures that will be right at or well below the freezing point, which means whatever precipitation you get, hear me out, Indianapolis. In the Circle City, you've got the donut hole in terms of the temperatures. This is your Monday evening, by the way. So remember, even when active precipitation is gone, a lot of this stuff sticking around for a huge way. So just be careful. Boston, the Berkshires, the worst may yet to be. From maybe a foot, perhaps.
A winter storm warning is in effect. Currently in our area, 18 degrees with snow. Today, snow heavy at times, very cold, high 24, 8 to 12 inches of snow expected. Tonight, snow early, very cold, low 15, snow accumulations less than 1 inch. Here's our 7-day outlook.
That's what we call remodeling, reimagining.
Storm warning is in effect. Currently in our area, 19 degrees with snow. Today, snow likely, very cold, high 25, 5 to 8 inches of snow expected. Tonight, snow early, very cold, low 15, snow accumulations less than 1 inch. Here's our 7-day outlook.
Season.
A winter storm warning is in effect. Currently in our area, 20 degrees with snow. Today, snow likely, very cold. High 25, 5 to 8 inches of snow expected. Tonight, snow early, very cold. Low 15, snow accumulations less than 1 inch. Here's our 7-day outlook.
Start your free trial and be prepared all season.
A winter storm warning is in effect. Currently in our area, 21 degrees with snow. Today, snow likely, very cold. High 24, snow accumulating 3 to 5 inches. Tonight, snow early, very cold. Low 15, snow accumulations less than 1 inch. Here's our 7-day outlook.
Thank you for staying with us live here as the Weather Channel tracks.
Warning is in effect. Currently in our area, 22 degrees with snow showers. This afternoon, snow likely, very cold. High 24, snow accumulating 3 to 5 inches. Tonight, light snow and fog, very cold. Low 15, snow accumulations less than 1 inch. Here's our 7-day outlook.
Weather Channel TV app. Start your free trial and be prepared all season.
A winter storm warning is in effect. Currently in our area, 23 degrees with snow. This afternoon, snow likely, very cold. High 24, snow accumulating 3 to 5 inches. Tonight, light snow and fog, very cold. Low 15, snow accumulations less than 1 inch. Here's our 7-day outlook.
Start your free trial and be prepared all season.
A winter storm warning is in effect. Currently in our area, 24 degrees with snow. Tonight, snow, very cold, low 16. Snow accumulating 1 to 3 inches. Monday, cloudy skies. A few flurries or snow showers possible. High 20. Here's our 7-day outlook. A winter storm warning is in effect. Currently in our area, 23 degrees with snow showers. Tonight, snow, very cold, low 16. Snow accumulations less than 1 inch. Monday, cloudy skies. A few flurries or snow showers possible. High 19. Here's our 7-day outlook.